देंगे दुश्मन तेरे नाम व निशा को, मिटा देंगे दुश्मन तेरे नाम व निशा को, अगर तूने मेरी आँख से देखा हिंदुस्तान को। I call upon a stage to welcome Sheikh Afroz for English speech from 5th standard.
Start.
Good morning everyone, respected chief guests, principal, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tubaira. I am 5th standard. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great to present this speech. हम अपनी साथ तेरे नाम करते हैं, हम अपनी साथ तेरे नाम करते हैं, ऐ वतन हम तेरी अज़मत को सलाम करते हैं। This is the most important day for all of you because this is the 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Friends, our great freedom fighter like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Rani Lakshmibai and many others devoted their entire life for the independent country. जय सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, जय सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सलाम ऐसे ऊंचा रखना जिससे मेरी पहचान है। Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental right. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. Friends, we all know that no nation is perfect, need to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development and our country. Surely the day is not far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. इतनी सी बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होंगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना, लहू देकर की है जिसकी हिफाजत हमने ऐसे तिरंगे को हमेशा अपने दिल में बसाए रखना। Thank you, Jazakallah. Jai Hind.